Girl, let me guess. You've been scrolling through social media and wondering what is even digital marketing? Don't worry, you are not alone. I've been doing digital marketing for years. When I was working for a company, my boss was closing $500,000 deals. So I know what big companies do with their social media and the strategies they do to make you spend money. And let me tell you, it's not about reselling courses. Reselling a course doesn't make you a marketer, it makes you a salesperson. But today I am going to teach you how to actually market your products, whether it's digital or physical. So grab your coffee. Let me just get mine right now, okay? So we can drink coffee together. But grab your coffee and maybe some crayons for the little one because I want you to focus on this for the next few minutes. All right? Let me take a sip. Mm-hmm. So think of digital marketing like making dinner for your family. You don't just throw ingredients together and hope it works. You follow a process. To market anything, you need these essentials: landing pages, social marketing strategies, that's super important, email marketing, social media advertisement, and sales funnels. So I know that sounds like a lot, but don't worry, I got you. So let's break it down step by step. Go get your paper and your pen because now I need you to write this down so you can use it for your business. I want you to draw an inverted triangle. This is your sales funnel. The whole point to this is that we're taking people from casually browsing to buying. Here on the top, we have our leads. Basically, these are the people who notice you but don't know you yet. Think of it like dating. You need to meet someone before you can build a family, right? You can skip the process. So then on the middle, we are going to have our prospects. These are the people who have an idea about your existence and they start to trust you. So, for my mamas, think of when you are at the playground, right? And another mom that has seen you a few times, so your leads, finally says, I loved your bag. Your bag is so beautiful. Where did you get it? Where did you get the stroller? Whatever. There you're building some trust with her. And now she's not a lead, she will be your prospect if you want to see it that way. Now on the very bottom, we have our precious clients. These are the people who have fallen in love with you and what you offer and actually buy from you. And here's the biggest mistake I see. People want clients but forget about getting leads first. Jesus Christ. That's like saying I want a baby, but not realizing you need the basis first. Like, I don't know, finding the right partner, getting pregnant, all this. I'm sorry, I am getting aggressive, but you cannot skip the trust building phase. It's super important. Now you're probably asking, but where in the world can I get those leads? Well, mama, guess what? Social media is free. Use it, okay? Yes, I'm yelling at you. But here's the catch. Every platform works different. You cannot post the same thing on Instagram and TikTok and expect the same results. So write this down because this is super important to know. On Instagram, people are using it for relatable posts, memes, and entertainment. This is for short term content. On Pinterest, people are looking for inspirational tutorials, getting ideas. And keep in mind, 70% of the users there are women. So this is for long term. On YouTube, people come here mainly for learning and for entertainment. And I bet you have heard of YouTube University, right? So you know what's the point of YouTube. And what I love from it is that it works for long term content. TikTok, on the other side, it's so quick Like viral entertainment and quick tutorials. This is for short-term content. Threads, the new app, is currently for relatable opinions, and because it's way too new, it offers rapid growth opportunities. The problem I see with this is that it's for super short term content. Now let's move with Twitter or X. I don't even know how you call it, but whatever. Basically, it's for news and polemic stuff and adult content. I guess that's probably why 68% of the users are men, and this is for short term as well. And just in case, when I say short term, I mean your post will likely have a lifespan. Lifespan? How do you say that word? A lifespan. Lifespan. I leave it here. Your post would likely have a lifespan of 1 to 6 months, while the long term content can still bring you in traffic years after you post. Just look on YouTube. You've probably seen videos from like 3, 4, 5, 6 years ago. I want you to treat social media as a lead magnet. Most people open social media to scroll, not to shop. And trust me, if they were ready to buy, they just go on Amazon, on Etsy. I mean, just think of how you use every platform and how you feel when you are in each one. So your goal here is to attract leads, not to close sales right away. I know it sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's just part of the strategy. So now we're asking how to convert those leads to prospects. When someone's follow you, the goal is to get them to fall in love with you. And you do this by posting valuable content about what you do, engaging with your audience. And if you want to know how to maximize your engagement, here, hopefully, I am pointing it right. I am going to leave a video where I tell you everything I know of how to get the best engagement on your social media. Another way is sharing relatable stories. Like, for example, tell them how you build your business or just show the real you. Now, let's talk about your secret weapon. This is where we're going to get our clients. Write this down for me. You need to build an email list. I'm yelling at you, okay? But why? You're probably asking because you're on your email list. Social media accounts can get deleted overnight. I learned that the hard way. I'm going to cry right now, but it's true. Because at the beginning of TikTok, when their algorithm was super sensitive, ah, they deleted one of my accounts with almost 400,000 followers. And then when I rebuilt it a few months later with 250,000 followers, they deleted it again. I wanted to cry. And then years later, when I had my Twitter with 60,000 followers, it got hacked. And I couldn't recover it at all. I was really upset about that. And then my Instagram with 50,000 followers got deleted. I have a lot to say. But yeah, basically, I learned after all that I must own the leads that I hardly gain because I can't relate on social media. And I did it. And now I have my email list built because I never know. And let's talk of how to build your email list, okay? Because now you know how important it is. You need a landing page, which is basically a page on your website. Or if you don't have a website yet, okay, you need to build one. You can use Linktree or link in bio while you build your website. This page should clearly explain the benefits of subscribing, and you should offer something so people want to subscribe. Now, you can play the easy and lame way, and offer a 25% off your first purchase. I bet you have seen that. But that makes people feel like, okay, I still have to put money on it. They just want my money. So I always rather going with the irresistible offers, giving something for free. And trust me, this works for digital and physical. It works amazing. If you know how to make it for your business, don't worry, this probably help you. So, for example, if you sell soaps, offer mini samples for free. They just have to cover the shipping, but you need to collect their emails. Or if you have a clothing store, create a style guide like how to dress for your body type, like a PDF. Or let's say you sell online courses. Well, this is even easier because you're already selling PDF and stuff. Provide a free PDF with tips about your topic on the same style your course is. If you're a photographer, you can run a raffle for a free photo shoot. And all they have to do to join is subscribe to your list. Basically, give you their email. If you are a chef or are in the food business, share a free ebook with creative recipes using your products or your food. If you're still doubting about the email list, this is why you must have one. Once they're on your list, you can remind them of abandoned carts, send them birthday discounts, announce special deals, and this is where you close your deals and make people become clients and become repetitive clients. Okay, so this is how big companies stay personal. They make you feel special while they are selling you something. Mama, I know this might feel overwhelming, but I'm here to remind you you've got this. If you need extra help, you can join our mompreneur community. We're a bunch of moms right there, sharing ideas to each other because I know it's hard. Sometimes we feel like we are alone. So all I recommend you is to go to the description box, and there you're going to find the link to everything. And if you're stuck at the very beginning, don't know how to start, go now and watch this video I'm going to leave right here about finding your perfect niche. I promise you, after you watch it, you'll know exactly what to do. Sometimes it seems like it's hard, and this is something that takes time. Remember, every day you are closer. If you feel that it's not working for you, just come back here and rewatch these last minutes because I believe in you and I want you right now to comment what is your business about, and I'm going to try to share you up the best way. Bye. I love you.